man. People don't realize. It's a
Yeah,
lot more. It's a lot
100%.
more complicated than people think.
You'd be amazed how many people they call, and they're calling me at 3 o'clock in the afternoon saying my AC's not cooling my house enough. Well, it's 100 degrees out, and did you turn it off this morning? Well, yeah, I always turn it off when I go to work. Well,
Not just that, but their expectations are if it's 100 degrees that you shouldn't expect it to be 70 in your house.
100%. The systems are designed for a 20-degree temperature differential from outside to inside. Can they do more? Yes. We don't, and I shouldn't say we, I don't design air conditioning for worst case scenario. I won't do it because normally when you're running your air conditioner, it's 85 degrees out or 83, 80, it's not that 100 degrees all the time. If we design an air conditioner in this area for that 100-degree day or 102-degree day, when it's 80 degrees out, that unit is going to short cycle so much where it's going to make the air cold in the house, but it didn't remove the humidity. Now we have mold growing on the walls. Well, guess what? And I said the word mold instead of microbial growth.
That's good for me.
But yes, we'll have stuff growing. So I tell people when we design a system, when we hit 95, 98 degrees, you might start losing ground on your thermostat. You might have it set for 74, it might get to 75, you might hit 76, but you shouldn't be uncomfortable because the unit's been running and it dehumidified. So now you're in a 75, 74, 75 degree dehumidified where your perspiration is actually evaporating even quicker, so you shouldn't really notice it. But where you're going to notice it is in the savings. You're going to also notice it in the comfort level when you're running it when it's 80 degrees out and it's not super short cycling. Once again, we've got to remove the humidity, drop the temperature, and filter the air. Air conditioning. Airflow, airflow, airflow. Have the units maintained. Unit that's been maintained is going to save you a lot of money. I've seen people, we got a customer right now that's running on backup heat because Andy, the company that we took over, put a unit in, it's got a small leak, so in the wintertime it's got a heat pump. He's been running on emergency heat and he's got $800 a month bills and he's screaming. Hurry up, get on over here, it's over 60 degrees, you can finally charge the unit. And we're like, well, yeah, kind of, sort of.
yeah, it was 65. You really want to be at 68 or above, but even so,
Like I said, it is what it is.
it's gonna take time.
You gotta get these units maintained. Micro leaks happen right through the copper.
Question. Change gears a little bit. Radiators. You know, I've had problems with valves. One broke off on me one time. So I'm really afraid to touch these valves. How critical is it that we bleed these radiators?
Depends. You're welcome. I love the word. Depends if they have air or not. If they're airbound, where the air
How do I know
separated, if they're getting hot or not. If there's air in there, they're not getting hot. If there's water in there, the hot water will heat up.
I mean, growing up, I've always said, oh, you gotta bleed them, you gotta bleed them, you gotta bleed 'em.
Correct. There's always air separation in the water, the oxygen.